I did last weekend. I didn't get no video or pictures in the assembly process, but I'll walk you guys through the whole thing right now. Here I have the main tubing for the evaporators going outside towards the outdoor unit. Here my blowers. There's one, there's two, there's three. There's the piping, condensate. And get around here. About this scoop, they're individually divided inside, and they'll scoop to that, they'll go to that discharge. Yeah, so all three will meet at that middle point and discharge towards the duct. That is the pre-existing duct. The view of it. Yeah, that's piping for that unit over there. We had to remove it, so we ran it through the ceiling, rewired it. That was another of that marathon install. We couldn't get no video on it, but you see two wires. One would be runs through here and back into that room for control. And here we'll go outside, then go up and elevated channel towards the condenser. Raining, so I'm gonna move really fast on this one. So we walk through the hallway again. These are the ones that we just worked on right now. This is the one that we reinstalled the piping. And as you see, the second piping going up on the channels. Goes all the way. It's about 50 plus feet across. Channels. Boy! And that.